Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with this question number 8, right? So now here we have to discuss the continuity. Okay, what we have to do? We have to discuss the of the function f of x is equal to modulus x by x. If x is not equal to 0, if x equal to 0, then its value is 0. Now we have to check over here that discuss the discontinuity. Now here also it is given modulus. Now what do you mean by that? Modulus function means, as we have discussed yesterday, modulus x means if x is greater than 0, then its value is positive. If x is less than 0, then its value is negative. So here, if x is not equal to 0, then modulus x divided by x. But what happens here is that x is not equal to 0. They have not given that x is less than 0 or x is greater than 0. Here both cases are possible. X can be less than 0 also and x can be greater than 0 also. So now here we have to check that whether x is greater than 0. See, this I hope so you know that if modulus x is there, then x is greater than 0, then its value is positive. If x is less than 0, then its value is negative. Right? Now, we have to discuss the discontinuity. See, point is not here, so let us check for x equal to 0. But before checking that this modulus, if we want to remove, okay, this modulus, if we want to remove this modulus, then what we will do in answer? F of x. Here, if I am taking for first case, x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0 here, then it will be x by x. So that answer is 1. Okay, so here, if x equal to 0, then its value is 3. If x is less than 0, so it will become minus x by x. So its answer is minus. So now we have to check for this function and this function, both are same. Okay, don't get confused. Here if you might think that sir how it came. See, nothing to worry. अगर x की वैल्यू ज्यादा है 0 से तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, तो x by x 1 हो जाएगा. अगर x की वैल्यू 0 से नेगेटिव है, मींस 0 से लेस है तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, तो minus x by x minus 1 और 0 पे तो दिया ही है 0. Now look at this function. Do you remember anything? ये फंक्शन x इक्वल टू 0 पे ये क्या है 0. x से छोटा है तो when x is less than 0 then its value is minus. x is greater than 0 its value is plus. In 11th standard we have done signum function. ठीक है, हमारे ऋषि here we are not supposed to show that it is a signum function, but I am just reminding you that whenever we are solving the sums at that time in 11th standard we have studied about this function signum function. Signum function किसे कहते हैं? Same this function, अगर जो function की वैल्यू x equal to 0 पे 0 है, अगर x less than 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू -1 है, और x greater than 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? +1. Right? Now, what we are supposed to do is that first of all, signum function आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, if you will check at x equal to 0, तो आपको ये फंक्शन मिलेगा डिसकंटिन्यूअस. आप चेक कर लो, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट राइट हैंड. आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं लिखना है कि सिग्नम फंक्शन इसलिए डिसकंटिन्यूअस है. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू टू चेक. इफ यू विल चेक एट x इक्वल टू 0 तो आपको डिसकंटिन्यूअस मिलेगा. ठीक है, व्हाई? बिकॉज़ इसे देख के ही पता चलता है x इक्वल टू 0 पे 0 है, जैसे ही छोटा हुआ तो 1 हो जाएगा, जैसे ही बड़ा हुआ 0 से तो -1 हो जाएगा, तो कंटीन्यूअस कैसे हुआ? इट इज ऑफ कोर्स डिसकंटीन्यूअस. Okay, so you check at x equal to 0, you will get it as discontinuous, right? So I hope so this is clear with you. Yes, now after solving this, let us move with question number 9, right? I hope so it is clear. So you will just check at x equal to 0, then you will find the answer for this. Now let us solve question number 9. See, आपको सेम concept लगाना है, left hand limit, right hand limit, and at that point, if you will check, it will be discontinuous. Okay. Ninth question we have. Function f of x is x by modulus x if x is less than 0 and its value is -1 if x is greater than equal to 0. Again modulus. Now see, x less than 0, यहाँ पे क्लियरली दिया हुआ है कि x is less than 0. चलो x is less than 0, तो नंबर लाइन पे अगर 0 से लेस है जो भी फंक्शन, तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस, राइट? इट विल बी ऑलवेज माइनस ओनली. सो ऑलवेज 0 से लेस है जो भी वैल्यू है, दैट विल बी माइनस, नेगेटिव. Therefore, x by minus x is -1. So, if x is less than 0, then -1. If x is greater than equal to 0, then also -1. तो ये तो देख के पता चल गया, -1, both are same, equal. See, very easy concept. कुछ भी नहीं है ये सब में. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है कि मॉड्यूलस एक्स इज देयर, तो मॉड्यूलस एक्स उसकी वैल्यू प्लस होगी कि माइनस होगी? मॉड्यूलस एक्स की वैल्यू माइनस एक्स होगी. क्यों? एक्स इज लेस देन 0. अगर एक्स इज लेस देन 0 है तो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी माइनस एक्स बाय माइनस एक्स. योर आंसर इज -1. बोथ आंसर इज -1, देयरफॉर इट इज कंटीन्यूअस, राइट? आई होप सो यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. Now question number 10. But before going to question number 10, 10, 11, 12, 13 ये सारे सम्स हैं, वो आप खुद ट्राई करो. मैं क्यों ऐसा दे रहा हूँ? तो why I am giving? Because it is based on same concept. We have to check left hand limit, check right hand limit, and at that point अगर तीनों तीन इक्वल है देन इट इज कंटीन्यूअस. तीनों तीन इक्वल नहीं है तो डिसकंटीन्यूअस. सो आई होप सो दैट 10, 11, 12, 13 आपसे हो जाएंगे. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व देन यू लेट मी नो, आई विल बी सॉल्विंग ओवर हियर. सो this is your question number 9. Here if you will apply that left hand limit, right hand limit and all, everything will be same only, so it is continuous. Okay, so question number 14. Question number 14 we are going to see now. We have question number 14 as f of x is equal to 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 5. 0 less than x less than 1, 1 less than x less than 3, 3 less than x. Then क्या करना है हमें? Discuss the continuity. We have to discuss the continuity of the given particular function. Right? Okay. So how Let us check at 1, 3 or 10. Let us check at x equal to 1. Left hand limit. Limit h tends to 0. F of 1 minus h. Left hand limit is there. Therefore, it is f of 1 minus h. So, f of 1 minus h. लेफ्ट हैंड 1 के लेफ्ट में 1 के लेफ्ट में 1 से ज्यादा है ग्रेटर x तो ये नहीं आएगा 1 के लेफ्ट में तो x 1 के लेफ्ट में x का पहली है सो इट इज विल बी 3 तो कांस्टेंट फंक्शन है तो 3 का 3 रहेगा अगर h आप 0 रखोगे if you will keep 0 or not you will get 3 only same way check for right hand limit limit h tends to 1 positive f of x so limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h 1 plus मतलब 1 से greater 4 आएगा 4 means h is not x is not there so 4 का 4 ही रहेगा constant now no need to check ahead ये एक बार 3 है ना one time it is 3 one time it is 4 therefore function is discontinuous at x equal to 1 same way you check for x equal to 3 you will get it is discontinuous ठीक है you check it for x equal to 3 you will get the answer that is function is discontinuous at x equal to 3 okay I hope so it is clear any confusion now let us do 15 and 16 but see 15 and 16 both are same any one question I will do 16 you solve 15 on your own you solve 15 on your own I am going to solve question number 16 over here so question number 16 we have that is f of x minus 2 2x 2 x is less than equal to minus 2 minus 1 less than x less than equal to 1 and x greater than 2 we have to discuss the continuity okay yes now this function is given so let us check its continuity at x equal to minus 1 for both let us take for minus 1 and plus 1 at x equal to minus 1 let us take left hand limit x tends to minus 1 negative f of x limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h limit h tends to 0 f of minus 1 minus h माइनस 1 के लेफ्ट में कौन सा फंक्शन है माइनस 2 तो माइनस 2 ही रहेगा ठीक है minus 2 will be remaining minus 2 only now let us check right hand limit limit h tends to 0 1 के पॉजिटिव लिमिट 2x है limit h tends to 0 2x मतलब f of x 2x है तो f of minus 1 plus h होगा 2 minus 1 plus h x 0 रहेगा 2 into -1 -2. Now let us check at x equal to -1. f of -1 -1 2 into x -2 -2 -2 continuous. Therefore the function is continuous at x equal to -1. I hope so you understood it, right? लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट चेक की, राइट हैंड लिमिट चेक की और -1 पे चेक किया. सभी सम्स में ऐसा जो होमवर्क सम्स है, in every sums you have to do the same thing. Left hand limit you have to check, right hand limit you have to check, and at that point you check if all. But एक कंडीशन आप ध्यान में रखना कि अगर 1 नेगेटिव तो -2 कैसे लेते हैं, 2 into x कैसे आया. देखो -1 नेगेटिव, लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट मतलब 0 तो टुवर्ड्स जा रहा है, 0 है नहीं तो नेगेटिव है. नेगेटिव कब होगा, x is less than -1 तो ऑफ कोर्स नेगेटिव ऑफ -1 तो -2 therefore माइनस. अब -1 पॉजिटिव मतलब -1 से बड़ा है तो हियर 2x. तो इसीलिए हमने f of -1 plus h, इसीलिए -2 is the answer, right? So this you understood. Then all the homework, whatever the sums I have given, it will be understood by you all. So question number, it is not 14, okay, it is actually 16. It is 16. Okay, I hope so everyone understood this. So question number 15 you try to solve on your own, but before that let us check for x equal to 1, right? Let us check for x equal to 1. Now when x equal to 1, what will be its value? At x equal to 1, h tends to 1 negative. At x equal to 1, we are taking limit x tends to 1 negative f of x. Right? So limit x tends to 1 negative f of x. Limit x tends to 0, f of 1 minus x, because here it is plus also 1 minus x. Now, what we are supposed to do, f of 1 minus x, but 1 negative मतलब कौन सा फंक्शन आएगा, 1 negative. Now you see 1 negative, what will be the function? 2x. So f of x अगर f of x 2x है, f of 1 minus x, what will be there? 2 into 1 minus x. तो इसका आंसर आएगा 2. f of 1 positive means 2. f of 1 plus x में क्या आएगा 2. And f of 1, the answer f of 1, x equal to 1, 2x. 2 into 1. Here 2. Therefore, the function is continuous. At x equal to 1. So, for both x equal to 1 and x equal to -1, the function is continuous. I hope everyone understood this answer. So, anyone who is having any confusion in the answer, then you will let me know. Whatever the questions we have solved, I hope so you understood. It is same way. हमने आज कुछ नया नहीं किया. जो भी है कल का जो टॉपिक है वही हमने रिपीट किया है आज, ठीक है. लेकिन मॉड्यूलस वाला थोड़ा एक डिफरेंट था. वरना these all the sums are based on a topic and sums we have covered in the last class, right? So I hope so everyone understood this whatever I have explained to you. Now if you have any question or any query related to the answers we have solved till here, you can WhatsApp me, right? I will it might take some time, but I will solve your query immediately. when means as soon as possible, but it will be done. So now you will be practicing this, और ये सब में practice is very important. ठीक है, आपको अभी ऐसा लगेगा कि इसी हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, but no, you have to practice it, right? So everyone will be trying to solve these questions again on your own. Practice both the sums from the NCERT, because only I have given you for the practice. And if you find any difficulty or if you find any confusion, then you can let me know, right? Thank you very much.